Hey guys, looking for some new gadgets? You're in the right place. So here's something for your health, along with some great ideas for work and entertainment on the list. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And please let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Here's the ultimate phone holder for your car that combines an eye-catching design with some really neat functions. So this thing uses super strong magnets that keep your phone firmly fixed no matter what. The gadget mounts to your vent using a special clip, and since it's easily detachable, you'll have a portable phone stand wherever you go. What's really cool? This thing also doubles as an aroma diffuser. And when you get stuck in traffic, the phone holder turns into a satisfying fidget toy. There's a bunch of great designs to choose from, and you might even install your own picture. Imagine you could carry a 24-inch screen and use it anywhere you go. Here it is, the foldable full HD display that works with all your devices. All you need is an HDMI cord. Moreover, it's compatible with wireless HDMI adapters. You don't see many external displays to do that. Setting this thing up is a matter of seconds. But know what? This thing is also equipped with a portable projector that delivers a high-quality image that's up to 80 inches wide and stands out with ultra-short throw distance and automatic vertical keystone correction. What's more, the device features built-in stereo speakers that provide your games and movies with rich sound. The carrying case is included in the package along with the HDMI and USB-C power cord. This old-school ticker makes sure you'll never miss any important stuff, whether it's stocks, news, or NBA stats. The bright scrolling display brings all the info in the most glanceable way. Not only can you set various screens for all sorts of news, you can combine two different rows in a single display. Setting up your ticker is extremely easy. On top of that, you're free to upload your own images, texts, and custom animations. The display is all yours. If you want your streams to look as cool as possible, this gadget is a must. Featuring 15 customizable LCD keys, it lets you quickly control virtually anything, from the lights and volume settings to social media posts. This thing is compatible with Twitch, YouTube, Zoom, and many more, and it's really handy that you can save various profiles for each app. Also, thanks to the special stands, the keypad is perfectly angled for comfortable use. As for the looks, there's a bunch of interchangeable faceplates that'll look great on your desk. Here's a really unusual backpack that's both functional and extremely eye-catching. So first, it's a high-quality stereo speaker. Yep, just connect over Bluetooth and play your tunes for up to 6 hours straight. And you can control the volume with a single button right on the backpack. Aside from that, this thing stands out with a sturdy, firm structure and waterproof material. Now check this out. Whenever you need to charge your phone, the 5,000 mAh battery is built right into the backpack. The speaker and power bank are always with you. This stylish web wallet is still waiting for more backers on Kickstarter, but we thought it's worth your attention. Okay, this thing is entirely 3D printed from the most premium and durable materials. It uses titanium along with carbon fiber plates that have plenty of space between them. Although it's much more compact than a regular leather wallet, this thing holds up to 6 cards at a time. The firm clip and steel fasteners keep the whole thing really tight. If the project gets enough funding, there should be a bunch of colors and finish options to choose from. Are you in? Now, this tiny camera can't take any photos, but you're still gonna love it. It's the clickiest little slider you could ever imagine. The lens and the shutter are equipped with clickers, which make the toy twice as addictive. The cam is fully crafted from 2 types of metal, stainless steel and zirconium. And here's the latest option with the titanium shutter button. Anyway, both of them are all smooth and polished and feel really good in the hand. Looking at this clean and compact camera, you probably don't expect great image quality, but looks can be deceiving. This thing features a 24-megapixel sensor that records video in up to 6K quality. Cam supports anamorphic lenses along with smart autofocus and HLG format. As for the outputs, there's both an HDMI and SDI port. There are 2 audio ports for your headphones and external mic, although you might actually stick to an integrated stereo mic. And on top of all that, there's an Ethernet port that lets you connect and control up to 12 cameras at a time. By the way, the cam is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, so you can adjust all the settings and watch the live stream right on your phone or PC. Here's the easiest way to address knee pain issues without any medicine. This gadget uses lasers and LED lights to increase blood flow and quickly reduce inflammation. It's not magic. The lasers are targeted in a specific way to penetrate deeply into your muscle tissue and joints. You just wrap this thing around your knee using the magnetic strap, just like a watch. There's one size that suits most users, but the modular design allows flexible positioning. As for the battery, you get up to 4 sessions on a single charge. And there's this nice charging dock that easily fits your bag. Can you feel the music? Using an innovative haptic technology, this thing provides a whole new level of immersion. The comfortable strap allows wearing the gadget around your chest or hips so you can stay on the go or even work out while feeling the beat. The gadget also features a built-in analog headphone amplifier and several input options, and thanks to completely silent operation, you're the one to hear this thing playing, or rather feel it. But if you really want to dive into the music or sounds of the game, you should go with the Vest. Featuring a set of 6 oscillating frames, the Vest lets you play VR games or produce music like never before. The gadget charges via USB-C, delivering up to 8 hours of playtime on one charge. This might be an actual game changer. You know, it's almost impossible to shave the back of your neck on your own, unless you have this really neat gadget. Thanks to its curved shape, the neck shaver is perfectly suited for the job. Just grab both ends and bend this thing gently, adjusting it to your neck size. The gadget uses 5 Gillette cartridges that can be easily swapped anytime. And most importantly, the shaver is really easy to clean. At last, you don't need to get a fresh haircut just because of the neck. Next up, we have something that'll save your money and the environment. Meet a lithium polymer battery that can be recharged and used over and over again. A single rechargeable battery replaces about 1,000 regular ones. Just like most other gadgets, this thing is charged via micro USB. There's an LED indicator that displays the charging status. These batteries charge several times faster than the competition. There are 2 sizes to choose from, AA and AAA. A single pack includes 4 batteries that'll actually last for years. Whether you're working on a design project or simply browsing the web, this mechanical keypad will be of great use. It's equipped with 8 programmable keys along with a large encoder knob that's perfect for volume control and stuff like that. As for the keys, they can be assigned to any function, replacing the complex shortcuts you'd normally use. Even the lighting under each key is individually controllable. There's also an optional OLED screen that displays some useful info. You won't need any additional software. Just plug the keyboard via USB and go. Is this a powerful EDC tool or just a toy? Actually, it's both. This project has just started to raise funding, but it looks quite promising. This is a sleek and handy screwdriver that comes with a set of 12 replaceable bits. The tool is compatible with all standard quarter hex bits, and they're securely fixed at the tip. On top of that, this thing features an ergonomic handle with special grooves for a firm grip. And when you're ready to relax, the spinning bearing comes into play. It's as smooth and satisfying as any full-size fidget spinner. Fully made of zirconium and copper, the tool is sturdy as it gets. Cool. It took a long way and a lot of burnt fingers, but we finally got it. A fully reversible lighter. No matter how you hold it, the flame will never touch your fingers. The circle grip in the middle makes this thing really comfortable to hold in any direction. In addition, there's a little wheel that enables quick flame adjustment. Made of high-quality materials, the lighter is stylish and sturdy at the same time. This thing can serve you for ages. You'll only have to fill the butane tank once in a while. Naturally, the lighter comes in several different colors, and for those who need some real heat, there's this dual torch version. It delivers a stronger flame, which is completely windproof, and it's still perfectly safe for your fingers thanks to the circle grip and angled flame port.